Tired of spending way too much time in the kitchen? We're about to change that. These are 7 kitchen gadgets that actually save you time. Let's find out which ones are worth your money. Small tools can deliver some seriously big wins in the kitchen. Today, we're putting 7 popular gadgets to the test. These promise to slash your prep and cleanup time, but do they really work? We'll show you real demos of each one in action, and by the end, I'll reveal my top pick that's an absolute game changer. Let's get started. First up, the garlic press. We all know mincing garlic can be sticky and time-consuming. With this tool, you just take a whole unpeeled clove, pop it in, and squeeze. Look at that perfectly minced garlic, straight into the pan. No knife, no cutting board, no sticky fingers. It literally takes 5 seconds. And for cleanup, most of the skin stays behind, and you can just rinse it under the tap or toss it in the dishwasher. It's a simple idea, but it saves you minutes every single time you cook with garlic. Next, we have the handheld pull cord chopper. Forget crying over onions. Just toss a roughly chopped onion into the bowl, close the lid, and pull the cord a few times. The more you pull, the finer the dice. In about 10 seconds, you have perfectly uniform pieces ready for your recipe. This thing is a lifesaver for making salsa, mirepoix, or any dish that needs finely chopped veggies. One thing to note, it's best for small batches. If you're chopping a ton of vegetables, a food processor is still your best friend. But for quick daily prep, this is fantastic. Let's talk about oil. Pouring it straight from the bottle often leads to using way too much, which means extra calories and a greasy pan to clean. Enter the oil sprayer. A quick comparison shows it all. On one side, a heavy pour. On the other, a light, even mist from the sprayer. It gives you perfect coverage with a fraction of the oil, whether you're coating a pan for frying or lightly dressing a salad. It cuts down on waste and makes cleanup so much easier. A quick tip, refill it with a good quality neutral oil like avocado or grapeseed for versatility. Now for a common kitchen problem. Storage space. My old colander was so bulky. This is a collapsible colander, and it's a total space saver. Watch this. I'll drain a pot of pasta just like with a regular one. It handles the heat and weight perfectly, but here's the magic. Once it's clean, it collapses completely flat. You can slide it into a narrow drawer or prop it up against the side of a cabinet. It takes up virtually no space. Just be sure to check the heat tolerance on the model you buy to make sure it can handle boiling water. We've all been there, fighting with a stubborn jar lid until your hands are sore. This is a one-handed jar opener, and it's brilliant. You mount it under your cabinet and it's always ready. When you have a tight lid, you just slide the jar in, give it a gentle twist, and pop. The lid comes off with almost no effort. It's especially great if you have issues with grip strength or just want to open a jar while holding something else. It works on almost any size of screw-top lid, from nail-polished bottles to massive pickle jars. A true one-handed win. Finding these tips useful so far? If you want more in-depth reviews and kitchen teardowns, take a second to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. It really helps the channel, and you won't miss our future videos. We've got some great content coming up. All right, on to gadget number 6. Let's ditch the frustrating cling film that never tears right and doesn't work in the microwave. These are silicone lid sealers. They create an airtight seal on any smooth-rimmed bowl glass, ceramic, even metal. Just place one on top and press down lightly. You can see it's sealed tight. You can use it to store leftovers in the fridge, or even cover a bowl in the microwave to prevent splatters. They're reusable, dishwasher safe, and much less wasteful than plastic wrap. Just check the heat limits on the package before you buy. And finally, gadget number 7, the compact food sealer. We all want our food to stay fresh longer, and this is how you do it. Instead of just putting leftovers in a regular bag or container, this machine vacuums out all the air and seals the bag tight. Here's a bag of avocado I sealed 3 days ago. Looks still perfectly green. Compare that to one I just left in the fridge. The difference is incredible. This is perfect for preserving bulk meat purchases, marinating food faster, or just making your weekly groceries last until you can eat them. Just remember you'll need to buy replacement bags occasionally. So, let's do a rapid recap. We had the garlic press for 5-second mincing, the pull cord chopper for tear-free onion prep in 10 seconds, the oil sprayer for less waste and easier cleanup, the collapsible colander that saves a ton of storage space, the jar opener for one-handed wins against stubborn lids, the silicone lids to replace annoying cling film, and the food sealer for keeping food fresh for way longer. Each one tackles a specific kitchen annoyance. Now, what about cost versus value? Let's break it down. The garlic press, oil sprayer, and silicone lids are in the low price tier, usually under $20. They offer fantastic return on investment because you'll use them constantly. The collapsible colander and pull cord chopper are mid-tier, maybe $20 to $40. They're great if storage or veggie prep is your biggest headache. The jar opener and food sealer are in the higher tier. The food sealer, in particular, is an investment, but it can save you hundreds of dollars a year by reducing food waste. For most people, the best bang for your buck is the garlic press. It's cheap, you'll use it all the time, and it genuinely makes cooking more enjoyable. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what one of our viewers had to say after trying one of these out. I got the pull cord chopper after seeing it in a video, and honestly, it's changed my weeknight cooking. I used to dread chopping onions for tacos or soup, but now it takes me literally seconds. My only complaint is that a little bit of food can get stuck around the lid, so you have to be careful when cleaning it. But for the time it saves me, it's totally worth it. So, how do you choose the right gadget for you? Don't go out and buy all 7 at once. Start by identifying your single biggest, most recurring annoyance in the kitchen. Is it chopping? Storage? Food waste? Pick the one gadget that solves that specific problem. Try it for a week and see if it makes a real difference in your routine. If it does, it's a keeper. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these gadgets would save you the most time? And what other kitchen tools should I test next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips that make your life easier. See you in the next one.